Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy and today I'm going to show you how to make rice and peas Jamaican style. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. So first thing first, I've washed and soaked the kidney beans and I've added fresh thyme, 1 spring onion and 2 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna boil it for 2 hours because these beans takes a lot of time to cook, and after 2 hours you can just take one and pinch it to see if it's soft, and once it's soft it's ready. Then we're gonna go ahead and season our kidney beans. So I added salt, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning and brown sugar. I removed the cooked thyme and added a fresh thyme to it. Then I added the coconut milk. I allowed this to boil for about 10 minutes before adding the rice to it. Once I added the rice, I also added butter and scotch bonnet to the mix, and I allowed the rice to cook for about 20 minutes, and here is the end result. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.